was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
You thought you was just gonna have a dream and a goal, and you was just gonna wake up and just walk into the sunset. It don't work like that. You have a dream, and then life punks you. Life punks you and say, do you really want this? It's a part of it, but I paid too much. My greatest moments didn't come from my greatest moments. My greatest moments came from my greatest defeats.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.
So the top came out pretty good. We got a couple little hot spots. The bottom was still dented though, so I'm grind that out. And I'm gonna grind this little line out. And just try to pull that out, and hopefully it'll bring the whole thing out. Hopefully. Well, I think I'm pretty set with the back. I ain't gonna do a whole lot more to it because I know it ain't gonna get it out all the way. So I just want to get most of the damage out, and then like this little part right here is still laying a pretty good bit. So I'm gonna fill that in with some fiberglass putty, and fiberglass putty don't crack and it's water resistant. So I'm gonna fill that in this little spot right here. I'll fill that in that spot, and then I'm gonna put a fleece over the whole thing, and I'm gonna put another fleece. I'm gonna just build it up until it's hard. I like when I get the flexes, cause it's like just like that. So all this, hold on, let me get two hands. All of this come out from just this little spot from right here. Crazy, right? So we can get that out, you know, the rest of it should pop out.
Was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit how.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.
Hey, we got our little dolly set up. Trying to get this huge dip down here at the bottom. See if I can. the crank at the bottom. That came out pretty good. A little down here, but this is the big part right here. Came out good for the most part. Let's see if I can smash this part out down here. I got that part right there. So if I can get this part right here, this little dent right here, I think we'll be in bed. And snatch all this out, this out, and this out. And then I'm sure we're ready.
Was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit how.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.
Since I've caught a moment, I haven't stopped. My climb just, I don't really have bullet train moments and then I just slow down and nothing else happened.
Yeah.
Like my shit had just been steady the whole way.
Right.
Like some niggas get a good sprint and they pass me up and it's like, ah, and it's like, I'll be there. I'll be there. I walk every day. Niggas might sprint once a month. I walk every day.
Every day.
I walk every day, so.
Feet to the pavement.
Got it all cleaned up and sanded. About to get it taped up.
Baby, you can go sometime. I wonder if I cross your mind. I really want to spend some. You could worry about the last shot that you missed, or you could shoot and make the next one. You feel me? Like, that shit just naturally comes with it. Trial and error comes with everything you do, bro. You might fuck up a lot of shit before you make something great.
I think it came out pretty good. A few little pieces of dirt nibs in it. That stresses me out sometimes. But I am in where I'm at, so I'm thinking about sanding it down a little and putting another 2-3 coats of clear on. I don't know. I'm gonna see how I feel. Still gotta do the door jambs, so I got that all taped up. Just a little spray in there. You ain't gotta go crazy with the door jams like that, cause it's a little spot, and they on the inside, so I got it taped up. I have to clean out the inside real good. I got dust everywhere. I'm gonna start putting up a piece of plastic so I ain't gotta, cause it wasn't clean, but it wasn't like this. So I gotta clean out the inside too. So let me let's get to it.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.